What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more. Ka jingther u lapbah ha ka arpho terik nailur kalawan ra ka Shlei ka Syirkei ha ka surok ba ka badan hamarjan ka Umling Facilitation Center ha ka Shnong Umling Ribhoi District. Bat ka balawan ra ru ya ka jingdheng kali ka bala ne da kibun kenta bat ka bala puntut shibun ya ka lait kawan jong kipat ba. Ka dauba ka balawan ra ya ka ni ka Shlei ka day na ka bombyang ka rukom shna ya kinala ha ka ba ka kalalang habaro arterli ki benta jong ka surok bat ka bala penlong ya ki kali bakin light shu ban ya lingba ya ka surok kamtam ki kali rin namar ka jinglang jong ka ka bala kalalong kum kapung. Nakaliang kibor kulit punyat kali na nongpo kilawan poi siya katay ka jaka banyarap lem da ka bapelat ka way pagaway ka kali bat nakaliang ka company na surok and high bat kila paru ya ki kali pu shilom ban penkut ya katay kanala ka ba day ka daw ba ka bawan ra ya ka ni ka Shlei
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.